Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Stefan Krawielicki, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Federal Republic of Germany to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Federal Republic of Germany has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased that you receive credentials. I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government and the people of the Republic. Federal Republic of Germany warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Something that we had, this is made from clay. It's a pottery. It's a water.
Yeah. To keep water cold.
Keep water, storage, water vessel.
Cold and safe.
Clean.
It's a pure Fiji.
It's a cosmetic for you.
Again, a great moment in my life.
Oh,
yes,
really.
praise is mine.
1, 2, 3.
Viva